Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. When making the cake's recipe, be sure to follow each step, and always use room temperature ingredients. Also, try to avoid over baking the cake as this can dry it out. Let's start the recipe. Grease your cake mold. Set the butter paper and keep aside. In a blender, add 1 cup powdered sugar. Add 1 cup oil. 1 cup milk. Simply blend the ingredients. Pour the batter into a bowl. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Sift all dry ingredients. Combine dry and wet ingredients together. One teaspoon vanilla essence. Pour the half batter in another bowl. 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Mix well. Spoon batters into the prepared pan in 2 layers, alternating spoonfuls of vanilla and chocolate, to simulate a checkerboard to create marbling. Preheat the pan about 20 minutes. Bake 15 minutes on medium flame. Carefully remove the cake from the pan and continue to let it cool completely. This marble cake can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature up to 3 days. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share your feedback with us.